Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Bend, Oregon, and home of the Cement Elegance Corporation. For more than 25 years, Cement Elegance has been designing and fabricating decorative, architectural, and utilitarian concrete products for residential and commercial use. In addition to their standard designs, Cement Elegance works closely with architects and designers to fully customize products that are perfect for the intended use, while also providing custom color and texture options. At their facility in Bend, Oregon, they handcraft durable, lightweight concrete products, including concrete sinks, concrete countertops, concrete fire pits, concrete furniture, concrete wall and fireplace panels, and more. Nature-cast concrete products are made of sand, water, and cement. These are the same primary ingredients that have been used for centuries to make concrete structures, some of which are still intact and in use 2,000 years later. By combining advanced reinforcement techniques with their proprietary form and core technology, Cement Elegance is able to offer a crack-free and stain warranty on select elite products that is unheard of in the industry. Cement Elegance utilizes special high-speed shear mixers along with unique spraying equipment to introduce the mix into molds. Two types of fiberglass reinforcement are layered into the mix, providing the primary reinforcement. This allows Cement Elegance to design and construct pieces that have 4 times the flexural strength of traditional solid wet-cast concrete and at a fraction of the weight. In some cases, wall panels can be made as thin as half an inch, and countertop pieces can be up to 20 feet long without seams. To see more, visit them at cementelegance.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.